Hi everybody, I am back again with more plants. So if you are new to this series, maybe you haven't been watching it right along, I am combining for 15 days in this series my two favorite hobbies. I love crochet, obviously, crochet channel, and I love plants, obviously. Obviously, right? So today we're going to talk about pothos and philodendrons. So this is a pothos, and one of the really cool things about the pothos is it can live in water. This guy was giving me trouble. He had some fungus gnats, and I was like, oh, I just got him kind of going. I don't want to give him up. So I clipped him, and he's been living in water happily for about 6 months now. So that's a really cool thing about pothos. Another thing about pothos is they are so easy to propagate, you won't even believe it. Like, you can make so many. I have a huge golden pothos that I call the mother plant. I just call her mother because she has given birth to so many plants. So also there's lots of different kinds of pothos. This is a manula. I think it's called a manula pothos. Let me check. Manula. Anyway, it's really cool because he's got different colors on him. But for the longest time, I could not tell the difference between a pothos and a philodendron. I finally got it. Don't ask me to explain it, I can just tell. This is a philodendron that's been growing like a weed this winter in my little terrarium. I took him out of the terrarium, and now I see how goofy shaped he is because he's been growing in this really weird glass container. But yeah, I'm loving him. Oh, by the way, this is philodendron, not super creative there. And he's a philodendron Brazil, and about to have some little baby philodendrons. I have little philodendrons in here that are just, I'm propagating for a friend because she wants one. So I've got all these little leaves in here in water, and pretty soon we're gonna have another. We're gonna have another for my good friend Erin. So I obviously love pothos and philodendrons, and so of course we're dedicating a day to them, and let's just crack open the crochet stuff, right? And take a look, because that's probably why you're here. You're probably not here for the plants, you're probably here for the crochet. So I'm just gonna open those up. The first one that I found, the first pattern I found that I really liked a lot for this day is the Pathos tote. So this is by pinkplumeriamaui.com. And it's just a really cute little tote bag. I love it because it's got these cute pothos leaves on it. So I'm just gonna take a look at it really closely here so I can tell you a little bit more about it. She used cotton yarn when making this, which makes sense for a bag, absolutely. You don't want that to be really super stretchy. And all you have to do is just scroll down a little bit when you get to the website, and it goes right to the pattern. There's no like clicking around back and forth or anything like that. The pattern's right here. All you have to do is click on my picture. It's gonna take you right to it. So I really, really love it. She does have the little graph, the little chart to follow to make the leaves, and the back just has these really cute stripes. So I really like it a lot. I hope you do too, and let me know if you consider making it because it's really cute, and I bet it's very useful too. Okay, my next idea is a different kind of philodendron, and this particular plant is actually on my wish list. I've wanted one of these for a little while now. So this says Crochet Alocasia Philodendron. This stingray elephant ears. In my head, I just call it the stingray plant because that's what it looks like, right? It's so cool. I really want one of these plants so bad. But since I don't have one yet, maybe I'll just have to make one of these crochet versions. This is available on Etsy. That's where I found it. I think it's so cute. So cute. The pattern is available for $7, and the store is called FCF Crochet Flowers. So I love it. Let me know what you think of it. I think it's so cute. The stingray plant in my head. That's what I call Okay, we have one more, and this is by far my favorite idea of this series. I am probably going to start making this as soon as I'm done filming. This is called the Leaf Cord Ivy amigurumi crochet pattern. I'm not really sure if it's based on a specific plant. It looks to me like it could be a philodendron or a pothos. It's just that kind of style because it's on a vine, you know, but I love this. So this is by supergurumi.com, and I just think it would be so cool to like cover all of my cables with this cool vine, because then it would look like a vine growing out of your computer or your phone or whatever. I don't know. I'm goofy, right? But I think it's so cute. So it looks super easy to make too. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I have made I've yarn bombed my cables before. It really does help protect them, by the way. And it keeps people from taking them. People like husbands and children. They don't take your cable when it's covered with yarn. Mommy tip for you. All right, so that's going to do it for today. I'm going to put my friends back into their regular homes. He's already missing his terrarium. Until tomorrow, guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.